Okay, this is the next topic, which is about quartile deviation. In this quartile deviation, the formula is QD, which is Q3 minus Q1, and this is a second measure of dispersion after range. In range only, we have to find the maximum and minimum value and find the difference. But quartile deviation is a bit better than range, because here we are interested in the first and third quartile, the difference between the first and third quartile. There is another thing which is known as SIQR, means semi-interquartile range. That's almost the same thing, but only the difference we have to divide it by 2. We have to check the half of the difference. For both of these two, we have same coefficient of deviation, which is Q3 minus Q1 divided by Q3 plus Q1. Okay, so this is one example. So sometimes I'll be giving you the question that find the quartile deviation and coefficient of quartile deviation and semi-interquartile deviation while Q3 and Q1 values are given. So you can find, just take the difference and divide that difference by 2. That's semi-interquartile range. Okay, for quartile deviation you have to just take the difference, and coefficient of quartile deviation is just write the Q3 minus Q1 and Q3 plus Q1. This first one is minus. Okay, so that is 24.9 divided by 69.7. So this is quartile deviation. In the question, I have given you one for ungrouped data and one for grouped data. For both, you have to find a range and coefficient of coefficient of range, then quartile deviation, semi-interquartile deviation, and the last one is coefficient of quartile deviation. But I have given you the group data, so first you have to find quartiles, just like you found it in chapter number 3. So first you have to find quartiles, and then after that you'll be able to put it in this formula. Okay, so this is the last thing.